Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the natural disasters which cause the transportation issues. Okay, so the extreme weather events, guys, these answers you can write on your own, guys, completely. Like any kind of natural disaster means it might be earthquake, rains, floods, cyclones, and all those things you can write, right? So we discussed these topics in multiple subjects like environmental science, disaster management also, right? Yes, so you can write based on your remembrance and all those things, so don't worry about it. Okay, yes. So extreme weather events, many weather events such as storms, blizzards occur regularly and tend to minimal impact on transportation system with a delay or partial closure of deviations. So basically when there is a storm or any kind of issue, we will be stopping the transportation in that particular area, or we will be blocking that particular roads. Okay, so here we gave an example, guys. So the 2011 earthquake, so please pronounce the name, guys, in Japan is among the 5 largest recorded history. While the damage by the earthquake was significant, it is associated tsunami that caused the earthquake. Okay, so that caused the most expensive damage in Japan transportation influence, guys. So almost most of the roads and all those public sector has been damaged. So future, the earthquake has significant impact on global supply chain as the Japanese automobile production fell by 50% following by the months. Okay, so mostly because of the destruction of the supply chain. Okay, yes, so basically due to the transportation issues and all those issues, that thing has been happened, guys. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? Yes, similarly with respect to sea level also. Okay, so many cities and infrastructures are built right above the upper tide limit. So basically nowadays we are building even on mountains and all those things, right? So the houses and everything, so even there will be multiple issues, may not be today but in future we might be having, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so many cities and infrastructures are built right above the tide. Evidence underlying the rise of 2010 meters is certain. So if the sea level rises accelerates, the 1 meters scenario could even reach 2050. Okay, sea level. So basically this is saying that, so in some situations when there are any kind of issues, so in those situations we are leading to some issues with the sea level also. Okay, you can just write in your own words, guys. Similarly, let us go through the man-made disasters. So man-made disasters are nothing but the accidents and all those things which we cause. Okay, so accidents, the outcome of technical failure or human error, and where mods, infrastructure or terminals can be damaged. So basically the roads will damage, the dividers, the public property will, everything will damage, right? So when a simple accident has been occurred, so that is the reason why accident is a man-made disaster and which causes the issue for the transportation. So even sometimes even the man-made disaster like accidents will even cause the blockage of roads for even weeks, guys. Okay, yes, so if something happened on a bridge and the bridge has been collapsed, so in that situation that's a huge monthly project, right? Yes, so in that way, so those things will also have a huge issue. Similarly, infrastructure failure. So transportation infrastructure can fail due to lack of maintenance. So basically you will be noticing some roads which are really bad, right? Yes, so those are nothing but the infrastructure failures, and there is no proper maintenance for them. So that is the main reason why they are like that. Okay, similarly conflict and terrorism and privacy. Okay, so whenever someone is doing any kind of damage like keeping bombs and all those things, so in that situation also some kind of damage to the transportation roads and everything will happen. Okay, similarly the economic and political shocks. Okay, so any kind of economical and political wars or fights could also lead to some potential damage. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got some basic idea. So I think almost the whole unit topics are just a few topics, but in the syllabus he gave just expanded them, guys. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got some basic idea on all the topics. Okay, so this is one more topic which I have added, guys. So in some examinations they might be asking for advanced ITS, guys. Okay, so in that you can write about the smart cars, like how they auto drive themselves, so how automation could be done. And similarly one more is nothing but the smart roads. So basically smartly deciding which road or which lane to give the signal of traffic and all those things. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea about all the topics, like we discussed around 5 to 6 lectures only. So in the next lecture we'll be going through the review of this particular unit, guys. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.